Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Clipper Pen Flamingo Power Wash. Back another video for you guys. Today I'm out working in Riverview, Florida. I'm here for a commercial job. I'm doing some sidewalk cleaning. Got some block walls over here with some algae on it. Easy job. We're gonna be treating this concrete here with a 5% mix because it's really dirty. And same thing goes for the wall. Let me show you guys what we got going on. So we got some dirty sidewalk. This is very unsafe, y'all. When I say this right here, slippery, stupid slippery, right in front of their house. I'll be doing the walls over here, all the sidewalks, all the way down on the other end. And also, I'll be doing the other way coming this way. Man, I almost slipped on this too. Like I said, I'm gonna be hitting this here with a 5% mix. Just go ahead and kill it. They don't have no water spigots here, so but they have a clubhouse I can get some water from, so let's get it done. I do have a half a tank of water right now, so I'm gonna take advantage of that and go ahead and pre-treat with the 12-volt system, because I won't need that much water for that. And then when I go to start surface cleaning, I can fill up a fresh tank. So I'm gonna start applying my mix down here on the algae and move it on down that way. Starting at 9:30 in the morning, man. Nice and early. Should be out of here, you know, a couple of hours. Go watch me some football. This right here looks like newer concrete around this drain, so you're gonna have to be careful around that. Ooh, look at this thing, boy. Algae everywhere over here. All right, so we got the wall treated, the sidewalk treated. I got it to that where it stops at right there, but there's the other section I got to do. But for the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the hoses up, go get some water, because like I said, I only got a half a tank of water, so that ain't gonna cut it. So I'm gonna get a fresh tank and we come back. All right. so I'm pulling back up here to get some more water and go right back at it, man. Going back in the dungeon. All right, guys, so we at the fill up spot, filling up. I'm double fitting my buffer tank. I got the Hudson float valve over here going in, and I got an extra hose feeding the water in there. Fill it up a little bit faster. Got 2 hoses going, man. So we're gonna let it fill up, grab a drink, and get back to work. Alright guys, we got another strip done for the sidewalks. All this right here is cleaned up. Clean all the way up to this bike lane sign. I got one more strip to go down there. And I got this wall to do. I'm gonna fill up again and plug back in, man. We back. So remember, I cleaned up to this sign right here. So all this was already pre-treated already. I'm gonna go ahead and pre-treat the rest of this sidewalk over here with the sand mix. So we got up to almost the end. I gotta fill up one more time. I should be able to knock that out, my next fill up. And then we're gonna jump onto the small little wall over here. Everything's coming along nice. Don't even have to pull street. strip of the sidewalk done. We came from way down there. Knocked all this out. So now all we got left is the wall. I should have enough water. I'm gonna do it with the turbo nozzle. I should have enough water to get most of it done. One last time, man. We'll be done. I started at 10. It's 1:45. What I gotta do is just a little bit of the steps. Get that cleaned up. Originally, I wasn't doing the steps. I was just doing the sidewalk and the wall. But they asked me to do the steps. You know, so that's extra money. I ain't gonna pass that up. So I had to make a couple more runs to get water to do those. So we're doing the last run for the water now, getting filled up. Knock it out. All right, let's get to work. Sidewalks are looking beautiful, man. Finish line. Yes, sir. All right, guys, we're done with the project. Even beat that little rain that's coming this way. Got the wall done, sidewalks. Everything's looking good. Took me, let me see, 2:30, 4.5 hours. That's with like going to get water and all that. Added a bunch of time to my project, man, going to get that water back and forth, but we got everything done, man. Everything is good. Gonna take me some before and after pictures, send that invoice in, get that big ticket. Yeah, I appreciate you guys checking the videos out, man, subscribing to the channel. I see them them views going up, you know. I appreciate that big time. So until next time, y'all, see you on the next video. Peace.